In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use multiple Codex agents at once, so you can complete several development tasks in parallel and speed up your workflow. Start by signing into your ChatGPT account and opening the Codex workspace. If you're working on an existing project, connect your GitHub repository or open your coding environment. Next, click New Task to create your first coding task. Think of each task as having its own dedicated Codex agent that focuses on one objective from start to finish. For example, your first task could be build a responsive navigation bar with a drop-down menu and mobile support. Instead of waiting for that task to finish, create another new task. For example, generate unit tests for the authentication module and explain what each test verifies. You can even create a third task, such as review the project documentation, update the installation guide, and fix grammar or formatting issues. Since these tasks are independent, multiple Codex agents can work on them simultaneously. While one agent is writing code, another can generate tests, and another can review documentation, helping you accomplish more in less time. As the agents work, monitor their progress from the Codex dashboard. You'll be able to see which tasks are running, which ones have finished, and review each task separately. When a task is complete, open it to inspect the generated code, explanations, and any available test results. If you'd like something changed, continue the conversation within that specific task so the agent can refine its work. Keep in mind that it's generally best to assign different agents to independent tasks. If multiple agents modify the same files at the same time, you'll likely need to review and resolve those changes before merging them into your project. Once you're satisfied with the completed work, approve each task individually and merge the verified changes into your repository. And that's how to use multiple Codex agents at once, create separate tasks for independent objectives. Let each agent work in parallel, review every result carefully, and combine the approved changes into your project.